Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, we have a PS4 with a bad hard drive. We've already put in the new hard drive. We have the update ready. We just need to get it going. Come on. There we go. We got the puppies in the background, so pardon the noise. So it's going to do its thing for a little while, and then it's going to basically say, are you sure that we're going to wipe everything? It's a new hard drive, so, yeah, it's okay, And then once it's finished, it will do a reboot, and then it'll be all good to go, and we could update the client. Trying to make this video short, but apparently the PS4 has other plans. Plus, I noticed they always keep making these updates bigger and bigger. And then the updates for the games are pretty crazy too. But here we go. Alright, so we want to choose yes. It's going to do its thing. It is boogieing since it's a new drive. Then it will restart. And come on. There we go. Now it'll go ahead and reboot, and it'll pretty much be done. Gonna do one more little update bar thingy. There we go. Then we'll restart one more time. Alright, this one takes a while, so I'm going to pause it and then unpause. We're halfway there. Alright. One final restart, and we are good. There we go. Yay! We are back in action. Thanks again for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. Be sure to subscribe if you like what you see. Smash that bell notification so you do not miss any new videos as they are dropped. Other than that, thanks for viewing.